We go. Lesson 3.8. We have 5/8 minus 3/9. Put your equal signs, put your fraction bars, and we're going to find the LCM of 8 and 9. So LCM, 9 and 8. Circle the 9, 9 is the biggest, and then multiply. Times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5, times 6, times 7, times 8, until you find the number that both of them go into. And 8 doesn't go into 9, doesn't go into 18, doesn't go into 27, doesn't go into 36, doesn't go into 45, doesn't go into 54, doesn't go into 63. 8 goes into 72. 72 is the LCM. So you put 72 right here. This is where I put it, see, on the bottom. Now, you have to figure out, how did 9 go to 72? How did 8 get to 72? Well, by multiplying. 9 times 8, so put the 8 right on the equal sign, right there on the equal sign. You put the 8, and 9 times 8 equals 72, and 3 times 8 equals 24. How did 8 get to 72? Well, 8 times 9 equals 72, and 5 times 9 equals 45. Now, we're subtracting, so 45 minus 24 equals, well, 5 minus 4 equals 1. 2 minus 2 equals 2. It was easy. That's why I didn't show the work anywhere. But you can do it straight down. And the denominator doesn't change. It stays the same. So it's 21 over 72. And you have to find a number to see if you can simplify it that goes into both 21 and 30 and 72. And there is 3. Because so I tested it. And 21 divided by 3 is 7, and 72 divided by 3 equals 24. That's your answer. Please put your answer in a box. Oh, that's where I was figuring it out. Oh, there's where I did my work. Remember, in 5th grade, you do more work. You go and search. You go and find the answers. And that's what I did. In my brain, I said, okay, well, 21, what does it equal? 3 times 9. 72, what does it equal? 8 times 9. So I said, well, let me try the 3, because 9 doesn't go into 21. 8 doesn't go into 21. And so I tested it and to see if 3 goes into 72, and it did. Okay, so the answer for 11, 7 over 24. Now, we're going on to number 12, which is 5/9 plus 4/6. Again, I start off this way, with equals and empties, but this is where I get to. I went over here, did the LCM of 9 and 6. 9 is the biggest. 9 times 1, 9. 6 doesn't go into 9. 9 times 2, 18. 6 does go into 18. We found the LCM. So put the LCMs there, and then go, well, how did I get from 6 to 18? Well, 6 times 3. And 4 times 3 is 12. How did I get to 18? Well, 9 times 2 is 18. 5 times 2 is 10. And we're adding. So 10 plus 12 equals 22. The denominator stays the same. And this is an improper fraction, so you have to do bottoms up, which means divide the 18 into the 22, which I did here. 18 goes into 22 one whole time. 1 times 18 is 18. 22 minus 18 is 4.